I told you that creating professional, high-quality AI videos didn't have to be a game of chance? In the next minutes, I'm going to give you the keys to 3 unlimited, free tools that will change how you create content forever. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a positive comment so you don't miss out on secrets like this. I've also packed all the links and prompts to a free PDF that will be in my Discord link in bio. So make sure to join in. Before wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So this is the AI tool right here. From the get-go, you can see that the interface looks really, really clean. This is the first AI tool I'm going to be showing you. And make sure you watch all the way to the end, because the last AI tool I'm going to show you, which is really, truly a beast when it comes to free and automated video generation. So firstly, I want to take a step over to the Imagine section, and you will be loaded into this interface as you can see. This AI tool handles realistic video generations. These are what people are generating with it, and they all look so realistic. This AI tool can handle uncensored prompts as well, but for the sake of this video and YouTube guidelines, we aren't going to be talking about them, but you can try it out for yourself. The first thing you want to do is head over to the prompt box and make sure you have video selected. For the aspect ratio, I'm going to go with 1:1 and leave it on default settings, just like this. And now, all you have to do is type in a simple prompt. I'll type in a prompt like this. All you have to do now is click on Generate, and the AI tool loads you to this interface and begins to process your request. As you can see, the video generating process is ongoing, and in no time, we have these beautiful, realistic results right here. And wow, really realistic. As you can see, with a simple prompt like this, the AI tool was able to give us realistic results like this, and it looks so realistic. And if you don't like the video we generated, you can simply just click on Redo, just like this, and in no time we have another video. Let's take a look once again. As you can see, really realistic results once again, and honestly, I prefer the second generation over the first one. This AI tool is truly free and realistic. The link will be in the bio, so make sure to check it out. So now we can head back over here to Imagine and select the image tool. I can type in a simple prompt like this and hit Generate, and once again, the AI tool begins to process our request and is generating realistic images, as you can see. And they are all done. Honestly, this is one of the best AI image and video generative models out here, and the last one will blow your mind. As you can see, it's really realistic. And if you click on it over here, you can simply click on Make Video, and the AI tool will convert this into a video. In no time, we have our video ready once again. Let's take a look. And the result we got is really realistic. Okay, so that's it for the first AI tool. The name of this AI tool is Grok AI. So this is the second AI tool I'm going to be showing you in this video, and it's honestly really astonishing. You can click on here if you want to create images, and you can click on here if you want to create videos. First of all, I'll be using the video generative model. Just click on Create Video right here, and all you have to do is type in your prompts to describe your video. I'm going to be typing in a simple prompt like this and click here, okay? And if you notice you can't really select the aspect ratio for this video generation, you can just simply add it to the prompt. I'll just say 1:1 ratio, just like this, and click on Animate. The AI tool begins to process our video generation. As you can see, it is generating our video, and in no time, our video is ready. Let's take a look. As you can see, they all look so realistic. Each and every one of them looks really realistic, and you can choose which one you like the most and select it here. Once again, really realistic, and you can click here and download it straight into your device. If you head back to the Home tab, you can click on Create Image and test out this AI tool's image generative feature. Once again, type in a simple prompt like I will do so right now, just like this, and you can select the aspect ratio of your choice. I'm gonna leave it at 1:1 just like this and click on Generate. Once again, the AI tool begins to process our request. As you can see here, it is generating our images for us, and in no time, we have our images ready, and they all look so realistic. Honestly, this AI tool is really one of the best image and video generators out there. Well, stay tuned, because in a few moments, I'm going to be showing you the best out of the best AI image and video models out there. And yes, I saved the best for last. Once again, you can click Animate to turn this into a video if you wish. And the name of this AI tool here is Meta AI. Now, for the last AI tool that's better than VEO 3 and is completely free and unlimited. So, this is the last AI tool in this video, and honestly, it is truly so realistic. As you can see, this AI tool looks really simple to use. This is the video generative model, and this is the image generative model. The first one we are going to be trying out is the image generation. Just click here and you'll be headed over to this interface. From the get-go, you can see that we have a prompt box here, and we can select the aspect ratio. I'm going to be going with 1:1, and for quantity, I'm going to put it on 1. I ensure using 1 because it ensures the most realistic image generative result. All we have to do now is type in the prompt. I'm going to be typing a prompt like this. When you have a prompt ready, all you have to do is click on Generate immediately. Once again, this AI tool begins to process our request. Honestly, this AI tool isn't really popular, and that's why it's still free and unlimited for me and you to use. So make sure to take the opportunity and use this AI tool right now. In no time, our image is done generating, and as you can see, the results look really realistic. The textures look really calm and subtle, and there is no morphing or distorting. Honestly, this is one of the best AI image and video generative models out there because it's completely free, as you can see, and it handles prompts really well. Click on the model, and now we'll be testing out the video generative model. There are two here, which are the image to video and the text to video. For this, I'm going to be using the text to video model. You can do well to try out the image to video model as well. I'm just going to select text to video and click on show, and the interface will be changed. All you have to do once again is type in a prompt of your choice. I'm going to type in this. This prompt is perfect because it really tests out the AI tool's complexity and generative power. Make sure to select the resolution. I'm going to be going with 1080p. For the aspect ratio, I'm going to be leaving it at 16:9 and click on Generate immediately. Once again, the AI tool begins to process our request. Just give it a couple of minutes, or even less, and you have this beautiful video. Let's take a look. And as you can see, the results look really realistic. The textures are calm and subtle, and the AI tool adhered to the prompt realistically. Honestly, this is really the best free AI video generator out there. And if you click here, you can download it straight into your device, and it will be safe for you to use. Honestly, there are really more tools you can use on this AI tool. Make sure to check them out. They are really realistic. That's the end of it for this video. The link to this AI tool will be in my Discord, actually, so make sure to join. The link will be in my bio.